the 5 fake leads I made earlier. I didn't take a video because it took time. So in this video, I will execute how to add event in calendar. By the way, I made contact. I made contact earlier also. Contact and accounts. Let's go to the calendar. Let's pretend in Zoom. I will fill the Zoom link here. So Zoom link, I Zoom ID rather. Search contact, and that's it. And I will save. I okay. Review, let's dive in the creating an email sequence for the leads.